Bitcoin holders, do not be fooled, because what you're seeing right now in the Bitcoin charts is not what it seems. So right now we will talk about my major warning for you in today's video for this recent price action. We will talk about the important levels to look out for and also the possible bullish and bearish scenarios that may arise in the immediate short term. So right now, if you pay close attention into the charts, we are inside the daily time frame, and if you didn't know, Bitcoin has recently broken below this key level right here, which we have been mentioning in my previous video for Bitcoin. I mentioned the importance of holding this red line and staying above $40.7 thousand, because if we do break below this level, that would mean that we could be witnessing bearish price action for the Bitcoin price. And if you take a look at the charts right now, Bitcoin in the daily time frame has recently broken below this support level, and it is now flipped to resistance. So be warned, because my warning for you right now is this bounce we are seeing right here could most likely be a retest of previous support, now flip to resistance before continuing this overall pullback or downtrend to our target of around $37.7 thousand until $36.1 thousand. So look out for these targets right here. The first target is 37.7k and also 36.1k. These are the two levels of support to look out for if we do see Bitcoin or the Bitcoin price get rejected once we do have a retest and a touch of previous support, now flip to resistance. However, the bullish case in the short term is if you do see Bitcoin have a break above this resistance and flip it to support, then these targets would be invalidated. But at the moment, I'm leaning more towards the bearish scenario, and I'm expecting that this move we're having right here is just a essentially a retest of previous support, flip to resistance before continuing the move towards the downside. But if we would talk about my long-term perspective or view for the Bitcoin price, then I am feeling extremely bullish, because again, this red vertical line right here represents the Bitcoin halving date, and I believe that in the short term, yes, there would be ups and downs. We could see a deeper pullback to the downside, but once we do enter the Bitcoin halving phase right here, I believe that we're going to be going up from there and see enormous gains in the long term. So if you guys would like to learn how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.